Atul, tell us about this case. What has happened?
Okay, I am Arturo D'Souza, volunteer at State Providence, and I've just come to know that there is this boy here by the name of Imran Khan. Basically, he's from Karnataka. His native village is Karnataka, and as we have just heard from him, he had come down to Goa in search of a job. He was working for some time, and then afterwards he got an injury, and he could not work. So the employer sent him out, and then he went on loitering here and there. Finally, he has reached the Goa Medical College and came to the police outpost and requested for some help. Requested the police in charge here to see if he can be. Something can be done to him, because as you can see, he's got a really serious injury on the leg, and right at the crucial part, and also he's got something to do with the eye. There's some infection in the eye, so he requires rehabilitation, and he requires his medication. He requires daily dressing, and he requires daily people to look after him. Now the thing is, we at State Providence will look after him as long as we can. We'll see that he recovers from his injury, and also, if his eyesight can be improved, if there is something that we can do from our side, State Providence will try to help and assist him.
And how old is he and where is he exactly from?
Now, what has happened is we have just learned from him. I've been asking him that he has got nobody there in his native place, so it's useless going back to his native place, Karnataka. But at the moment, since he cannot be looked after, basically what he needs is proper care. Okay, and since he is not getting that proper care, then the State Providence is willing to provide him the proper care so that he recovers from his injury. Right now, we'll take him to one of our men's shelter home that's in Asnora, and over there we have people, we have staff that will look after him. So hopefully he gets well. We thank the police outpost, the personnel out here for reaching out to us, and accordingly, after the formalities were done at the police outpost, we are taking him to our shelter home.